Hi guys, welcome back to Pop Around channel. I hope everybody's doing well in such tough time. I would love to know how you guys are doing, how you guys are coping with the pandemic, so please feel free to leave your comments. Let me know how you guys are doing. Today I'm going to be sharing my lovely Thai dish recipe. It's calledยำตะไคร้ปลากรอบซอสมะขาม It's a long name, I know, but it involves lemongrass, shallots, crispy fish, and tamarind sauce. How's that sound? Sounds good? Let's go and see how I cook it.
Cooking yam ta krai pla krop is pretty easy, but it might take a bit of time to prepare. There are 3 different things to prepare before mixing it all together: the tamarind sauce, salad mix, and the fish. Before we start, we're going to pour half of the water in the tamarind and let it sit while we prepare the fish. Garlic, pepper, and salt will remove unpleasant smell of the fish, and in addition, it gives the fish a bit of a flavor. So what I usually do is, I'm going to scatter my finely chopped garlic, lightly sprinkle some salt and pepper on it, and I'll rub it all over the fish. Put the skillet on high heat until it gets warm. Then pour the vegetable oil into the skillet. In order for your fish to be crispy, you would also need to make sure the oil is hot enough but not smoky. Turn the heat down to medium-high heat, then put the fish in the skillet and leave it for around 2 to 3 minutes or until it turns golden. Then you can flip and repeat the process. Now, the easy salad mix. I use 2 stalks of lemongrass because I think that that's the proper amount for 1 sea bass. We're going to finely chop the lemongrass into very thin slices because the finer you make them, the easier to chew. And we'll also do the same with the shallots. And once we're done chopping, mix them both together, and then we'll separate the lemongrass rings and also the shallots to keep the texture light. By the way, this is not how you separate the rings. I can't do it with one hand holding the camera, so my husband is going to help me do this. Don't be afraid to add chili because we're going to do them very thin as well. I actually add only 1 chili because medium spicy is what me and my husband can take. For the nuts, they normally use the cashew nuts back in Thailand, but I'm gonna add all my favorite nuts in it to make it even tastier. Now just kind of stir them in the skillet on medium heat until they look a bit brown, and then we can add them in the salad mix. Now you can see that my husband is doing a very good job at separating the lemongrass and shallot rings. The texture looks perfect. I'll add the sea bass, the chili, and the nuts, and we're almost done. Now here comes our last but important bit. The tamarind sauce, the highlight of this dish. I bought this pack of tamarind from Tbspn, the Asian market in Thailand. You can follow the link in the description for more information. I put 2 spoons of tamarind in a bowl and added around 1/4 cup of water in earlier. And now it looks like it absorbed some water and also got a bit soft. so I'm going to add a bit more water and we'll start squishing them. Here's how it should look like, not too clear, not too thick. And then we're gonna go ahead and take out the seeds. I'm just using my tea strainer because it does the job. We're gonna start by putting the saucepan on medium-low heat. Then we'll just pop the juice in, followed by palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, you can also use soft brown sugar. That'll also do the job, don't worry. Remember, it is always safer to add bit by bit than taste, so you'd know what more to add rather than fix the taste. Now add the fish sauce and some water. Again, bit by bit, stir and taste. And now we're done. You can now pour the awesomeness on the salad and you complete the cooking of Yum Takrai Black Rob Sauce Macam, or the crispy fish and lemongrass mixed salad in the tamarind sauce. I hope my recipe can be useful for somebody. Feel free to hit like, share, and or subscribe to get notified for my latest video. See you around. Bye now!